We're now reassembling the clutch. This is the old clutch. This is the new clutch, soaked in oil overnight. The weird clutch, the smallest circle in diameter or whatever ring goes in first, and then your washer ring. And then you just follow this pattern as you took it out. '98 Gsxr, Srad, 600. Same thing for the 700. It'll be organized too. I got all my bolts laid out. I got bolts in the bag. They got numbers on them. All in order. Your hardest part is going to be this. You need a breaker bar and a 2x4, or he put a ratchet on the brake bracket and we torqued the hell out of it and it worked. So good luck. And after you do that, after you put all these plates back in series, you got to put that back on. My bad. You got to put that back on. You know, I mean, you got to put these in there too. And that, you know. And then after you put these screws, be careful with those screws. They strip easy. Then you put this on with this is the bearing and the push rod and all that. After you put that in, you got to put that circlip, that snap ring back in. And, you know, then you do that and torque it down, and then put I think this is the crankcase, put that back on, and then all that. He about done there though. Shit, I'm gonna wrap it up though. That's about it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, go for it.